Mazda's best-selling compact SUV is already a tough act to follow, but the 2027 CX-5 is shaping up to raise the bar in every direction that matters. If you're currently eyeing the standard model, what's coming next could make that decision a lot harder. The changes heading to the 2027 CX-5 are far from minor, and that's exactly why it's worth holding out for 6 reasons why you should wait for the incredible 2027 Mazda CX-5. Number 6. Spacious cabin. One of the sharpest criticisms of the previous CX-5 generation was its interior, particularly in the back seat. Rear passengers didn't get much room to stretch out, and that shortcoming was difficult to overlook in a class that's getting increasingly competitive on space. The new generation is fixing that problem directly. Mazda is stretching both the wheelbase and overall body length, adding meaningful legroom, knee room, and headroom in the second row. It's a real improvement for anyone who regularly carries adult passengers. Think about what that actually means on a 2-hour highway drive with a full car. Rear passengers squeezed against the front seats, knees pressed into the seat backs, no real room to shift position. That's the kind of discomfort the old CX-5 was quietly handing its back seat riders. Rear legroom in the new generation is climbing to nearly 40 inches, which puts the CX-5 on much steadier footing against rivals like the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4. The cargo area is growing as well, with a lower load floor making it easier to slide things in and out. Door openings are wider too, which matters more than people realize in everyday use. Mazda is also bringing more upscale materials into the cabin across most trim levels, pushing interior quality closer to near-luxury territory without jumping to a near-luxury price tag. But a roomier cabin only tells part of the story because what's coming under the hood is about to change the conversation entirely. Number 5. Hybrid is coming. This is the headline story, and it's a big one. For the first time in the CX-5's history, a hybrid powertrain is joining the lineup, and Mazda isn't cutting corners on how it's being done. Rather than borrowing Toyota's proven system the way the CX-50 hybrid does, Mazda is developing this powertrain entirely in-house, under its new Skyactiv Z branding. That's a significant commitment. It signals that Mazda wants this electrified CX-5 to carry a distinctly Mazda character, not a borrowed one. Details are still coming in, but the setup is expected to be built around a 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder engine working alongside at least one electric motor. Crucially, Mazda is pairing this with an automatic transmission rather than a CVT, which aligns with everything the brand stands for. The automatic keeps powertrain response natural and predictable, the way Mazda buyers have always expected it to feel. Fuel economy targets are pointing toward the mid-30s to low 40s in miles per gallon, which is a massive leap over the standard gas model's 26 combined. And because the electric motor delivers torque instantly, the 2027 CX-5 hybrid is also expected to feel quicker off the line than the gas-only version. Better efficiency and better performance in the same package, with all-wheel drive expected to remain standard throughout. That's a powertrain story that's genuinely hard to argue with, but a great powertrain still needs a chassis that can back it up, and that's exactly where the next reason comes in. Number 4. Smooth ride. The outgoing CX-5 built its reputation partly on driver engagement, sharp steering, a taut suspension, and a sense of connection that set it apart from most rivals. Those were real strengths, but Mazda has made a deliberate change in direction with this new generation, moving toward a suspension tune that's noticeably softer and more composed over rough surfaces. Anyone who's spent time driving older compact SUVs on a daily commute knows the feeling. Every expansion joint, every pothole, every rough stretch of pavement sending a jolt straight through the seat. That's exactly the kind of experience the new CX-5 is being engineered to eliminate. The suspension is soaking up road imperfections with considerably more ease than before, and noise levels on the highway are measurably lower. For some enthusiasts, the shift away from the sharper predecessor may sting a little, but the 2027 CX-5 is still holding its own dynamically. Testing of the standard model shows lateral acceleration figures of 0.83 G, which are strong numbers that prove real cornering capability is still there. The steering remains well-tuned, with good feedback and a natural feel. What Mazda is delivering is a more balanced, all-round driving experience, equally good on a spirited weekend drive and a long, quiet highway trip. That's a wider net to cast, and it makes the CX-5 a stronger daily choice for more buyers. But how those buyers are being treated at every trim level is something rivals haven't quite figured out yet. Number 3. Loads of features. Here's where the 2027 CX-5 starts making rivals look like they're holding back. Even base models are arriving with a standard equipment list that would have been considered premium content just a few years ago. Adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, rear cross traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, and automatic high beams. All of it standard across the entire range, regardless of trim level. Consider how frustrating it is to spend $35,000 on a new SUV, then discover that the safety tech you assumed was included is actually locked behind a higher trim. That's a situation the 2027 CX-5 is avoiding entirely. Every buyer at every price point is getting the full safety suite from the start. On the tech side, a 12.9-inch infotainment screen with Google-based software comes standard. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard as well, along with a wireless charging pad and USB-C ports front and rear. Higher trims step up to a massive 15.6-inch screen, the largest Mazda has ever offered in a production vehicle, an optional digital driver's display, and reconfigurable 7-color ambient lighting round out the package. There is one fair trade-off worth noting. Climate and vehicle controls have moved into the touchscreen, replacing physical buttons. Not everyone will prefer that approach, but the system itself is responsive and well-organized. Number 2. Proven gas engine. Not every buyer is ready to move to a hybrid, and the 2027 CX-5 isn't forcing anyone's hand. The familiar 2.5-liter, naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine is carrying over, and that's genuinely good news for buyers who think in terms of long-term ownership. Here's a scenario worth considering. A few years into ownership, something goes wrong with a complex turbocharged engine in a rival model. The repair bill runs into thousands. That's the risk that comes with newer, more complex powertrains, and it's a risk the CX-5's 2.5-liter largely sidesteps. This engine has been running across multiple Mazda models for years across multiple markets. Its reliability record is about as clean as it gets in this segment. No widespread failure patterns, no problematic emission systems, no turbocharged hardware adding layers of repair complexity. It produces 187 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive. Throttle response is linear and predictable, and the transmission pairs with it well. Fuel economy lands at 24 city and 30 highway, which are solid figures for a gas-only all-wheel drive compact SUV. For buyers who want a straightforward, dependable daily driver, this engine continues to make a compelling case. And that dependability, stacked on top of everything else the 2027 CX-5 is bringing to the table, leads directly to the most important reason of all. Number 1. Great value. Numbers deserve some context. At $31,000, the CX-5 is arriving with standard all-wheel drive, a comprehensive active safety suite, a 12.9-inch infotainment screen with Google built in, and an interior that reads above its price point. Most rivals at that entry price are offering front-wheel drive, smaller screens, and safety features that require an upgrade to unlock. The mid-range preferred trim, in particular, is going to be hard to beat, with heated front seats, a head-up display, 19-inch wheels, and a power liftgate, all at a price well below comparably equipped competitors. Honda CR-V, Toyota RAV4, Volkswagen Tiguan. These are all capable vehicles with real strengths, but few of them are delivering this combination of standard content, interior quality, driving character, and long-term reliability confidence at the CX-5's asking price. Add the incoming hybrid option for those chasing better efficiency, and the 2027 CX-5 stops being just a good value. It becomes one of the most complete packages in the compact SUV segment at any price. What the 2027 Mazda CX-5 is putting together is the kind of package that's genuinely difficult to dismiss. A roomier, more livable cabin, addressing the outgoing model's biggest weakness, a brand new in-house hybrid system bringing class-competitive efficiency without sacrificing the driving character Mazda buyers expect, a more refined and composed ride that works harder across more situations, full safety and tech suites, standard from the base trim, a proven and dependable gas engine for those who prefer simplicity, and pricing that keeps all of it within reach of a wide range of buyers. That's not one compelling reason to wait. It's 6 of them, stacked together in a vehicle that Mazda's been carefully building toward for years. But the CX-5 is just one of several impressive compact crossovers that punch way above their class. The Nissan Rogue is one of them, so make sure to check it out in our next video. Completely redesigned, it's bringing not just improvements in terms of quality and luxury, but also a revolutionary hybrid powertrain that will obliterate the competition.